30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 3. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is part 3 of my video series on making $100 per day online. So this is making money online, working from home, perfect for you, especially right now in 2021. So guys, before I'm going to show you the third method, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. This really helps me out. If you like to see more videos about making money online and working from home, make sure to do these 4 things. Keep on coming back to this channel and check out all the links in the description of this video as well. I have some free case studies, I have my coaching, I have a bunch of different things you can check out if you are into making money online and working from home. So guys, let me share my screen, let me tell you about this method. So if you want to make money online and you don't really have a ton of technical experience, or if you're just a beginner, there are different websites you can find micro jobs, and these micro jobs pay, sometimes a few dollars, sometimes maybe $20-50, sometimes $100 per day, and this is how you find them. Okay, so I'm going to show you top 5 websites, and all of these are legit. They pay out. You don't have to worry about being scammed about someone. Okay, so the number 1 website I recommend you use is mturk.com. So this is actually a website owned by Amazon, and you will be doing micro tasks for Amazon. Okay, so again, mturk.com, this stands for Amazon Mechanical Turk. And as you can see, companies go to this website to access a global on-demand 24/7 workforce. So let's click on learn more, and as you can see, you can make money in your spare time, get paid for completing simple tasks. Guys, they say simple tasks. It is really super simple. Sometimes it's as simple as drawing lines or boxes on pictures, or rewriting something, or doing data entry. Super simple stuff. Again, you can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need to have experience. You can be a beginner, and you don't need to be a techie person. Okay, so as you can see, it says what type of work is available. So targeting objects, helping companies select the best picture, classifying objects. We have removing duplicate content like duplicate pictures, verifying restaurant details, writing consent for websites, just a bunch of different things you can do. Even transcribing audio content, so just listening to audio and typing it out. So guys, they have tons of different works you can start making money with working from home. So they have all the information right here on mturk.com/worker. You can click on how it works, and as you can see, the payout depends on the kind of work that you're doing, and you're going to get paid after the requester approves your work, and your earnings will be available to use. So that was the first website I have for you. I told you I'm going to show a total of 5 websites. Number 2 will be appen.com, appen.com, and this is a website where you can find legit jobs, but they also have a bunch of mini jobs and micro jobs. All you have to do is click right here where it says jobs, and as you can see, they have projects, so big projects you can work on, even full-time if you want to. They have micro tasks, and they have service and data collection. So you can apply for all 3 or just one, but again, this video is about micro tasks and making money this way. So if you're going to click on apply, obviously you're going to have to send them your information. Let's click on how it works to show you exactly what is this all about. So you're going to become their contributor. They're accepting people from all around the world, and how it works is 3 simple steps. So step 1, you find a project that you want to work on, you start the task, and then step 3, you finish it. So you can do a variety of different micro jobs or micro work. You can categorize social media, transcribe audio, moderate content, draw boxes on images. Literally draw a box on an image, because sometimes big companies need stuff like this, and you can make money this way. So guys, you have a little FAQ right here. Now if you want to actually earn $100 per day doing this, I would recommend you sign up with all 5 of these websites. Okay, it's not every day that they will have new micro jobs, so just sign up for all 5, and this way you're gonna get a constant flow of micro jobs. Okay, so that's number 2, appen.com. Number 3, I have clickworker.com for you. So guys, this is specifically for micro jobs online. So we will click right here where it says earn money as a click worker, and again, they have a bunch of different ways you can earn money online. So you're going to be profiting from your talents. You can sign up right here, as you can see, or you can log in. They even have a ClickWorker app, so this will work on Google Play and the App Store. Now, the type of jobs, again, text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio recordings, video recording. So super simple stuff. Again, you don't have to be a technical person, you don't need any experience, you don't need to have a marketing degree. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So again, all the information is right here. Just click on sign up, send them your information, and this will start the process. Number 4, I have rapidworkers.com. So as you can see, very similar looking website. So at RapidWorkers, tasks are completed fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy, and most of all, it simply works. So as you can see here, you're actually going to be making a few cents per job, but these jobs are literally 1 minute, 2 minutes. So you can earn 10 cents for a 1 minute job, like YouTube voting for this video or following someone on Twitter. 12 cents for, you know, it's not really a 1 minute job, it's more like 5 seconds. We have online game sign up. Takes you 3 minutes, they pay 20 cents. So, you know, you won't become super rich from this, you won't become filthy rich, but this is something you can do in your spare time. And again, combining rapidworkers.com with all the other websites that I'm showing you in this video, you can make some extra money, and definitely it will accumulate over time, and you can make $100 per day doing this. Maybe not with RapidWorkers, but all these other websites, okay? And number 5, I have microworkers.com. So guys, very similar. They actually have a bunch of different jobs. They have video quality rating, collect movie information, taking a survey. We have product use satisfaction survey, dresses qualification for all of you ladies out there. We have rating landing pages, extracting image, location of a book, product tagging. Take a look at this. Take a look how many different kind of jobs. There are literally dozens of different things that you can do. Collecting information about e-commerce items, reviewing restaurants. What else we have? We have taking a survey using an external link. We have moderation of images. Guys, again, this is something super simple you can do from the comfort of your own home. So you're working from home, you're making money online. You can even do this as a teenager, or even if you're 70 years old and want to make some extra money, you know, a part of your pension. So guys, these were the top 5 websites. Right now, what I want you to do is just like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions, or maybe you just want to say hi. These 4 things really help me out with the algorithm, so please help me out, especially if you are into making money online and working from home. So I will try to upload as many videos this month as I possibly can. So again, subscribe to this channel, keep on coming back to see what else I uploaded, and check out all the rest of the videos on this channel right now. Again, especially if you are into making money online and working from home, all of these will work in 2021 and beyond. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Ciao.